Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. And please subscribe, hit the notification, maybe even the like button, and leave a comment. We're here at the Fairing Xchange, and Patty, my buddy, got a 2020 Street Glide, and he is getting a Klock Werks 4-inch windshield. We'll see the install. Paulie's going to do the install, and here we go.
Yeah, we're going from the 4-inch. He's going to try out the 5-inch now and see if he likes that one better. The nice thing about these Klock Werks windshields is we have the ability, you come in, we put it on the bike, you can take it for a test ride, so you can see which one works best for you.
Excellent. Patty, how was the 4-inch?
4-inch was not much difference from the stock windshield. I like the look of it. The wind was a little less, but I think I'm going to go with the 5 because I was trying to get a little less wind than that.
So you're going to test
I'm going to test
5
drive the
now.
5 now, and then I'll make a decision.
The important thing is, on the 5, you need to see over it.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you could see over it, and if it's up to your nose,
Yeah.
it's just under your nose right here.
Yeah.
That's the
I don't
ticket
think
right there.
That's going to be a problem. So.
If it's in this area, that's
Yeah.
the ticket right there.
I
If you get it higher, you'll wind up looking into a smoke light lens at night, and you don't want that.
Right now with the 4, my hat was coming off. So with the 5, we'll see if the hat stays on.
Give her a shot.
Okay.
That's what's going to sell it.
That's my test, right?
Patty's
All right,
gonna road test
so this
that
is
right
the
now.
5-inch.
And we'll get the results when he comes back.
Here you go. Right.
There he comes. So what's the verdict?
5-inch is the way to go. My hat stayed on till 50 miles an hour.
Nice.
Did you have the hat on front or backwards?
Backwards, of course.
Okay.
Now with a little Velcro, it'll stay on for 70 miles
Yeah,
an
70
hour.
miles an hour.
Listen, I got
the 4-inch
this thing
it
called
was
skin
coming
tack.
off at 35.
I got
30 miles an hour. Was coming
I got this thing called skin tack, so we can put it on your head, and then you can stick the hat on.
Yeah,
Nice.
the baldness makes it slide easy. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay,
So
so-
definitely a 5-inch. Now whether to go with the dark or the lighter one. You got a dark 5-inch?
I mean, that one, to me, it looks almost black.
Yeah,
So
it's
you do
reflecting.
have to look
You
through
can
it.
see through that one.
Yeah. Not at night, you're not.
Well,
But-
right now I can't.
Yeah.
I could. I checked.
Yeah.
I ducked down. And I was able to see the other one, the black
that's
one.
black.
I couldn't see no matter what
But-
time of day.
With this one, if you needed to look down,
Yeah.
you'll see.
Yeah. It's
With the
supposed to
black
during the
one,
day.
you won't
no,
see.
you're not seeing nothing
So
through that.
that's your
That's
decision.
the other one. Well, that was it. I was just looking at
You know, it looks dark
cosmetics
too
where I want to put it.
because it's reflecting off
Right.
your
It'll
bike.
probably look a little darker with the demo ride in
Sure.
it. You can see through that. But without that, it'll
Yeah.
be all the same color.
Right.
So,
Yep.
Well, he could put the dark one on, and you could look at it. You have a
I
dark
think
one?
he's right.
Not
Says
in the
in my-
demo stuff. I mean, I probably have it.
No, no.
But I don't want to put it on a bike and then take it back out.
Just bring it out. Let him
Oh,
look
yeah, I
at
don't
it.
have to put it on. Let me
Okay. So we're gonna see what his decision is, and we know it's a 5-inch, but this is smoke. He wants to look at the black solid, and we'll give you his final decision and the install and how it looks. Doing the install right now.
Taking
Paulie's
off
gonna
the
do
demo
it.
windshield,
We're taking off the demo.
and we're putting on the new windshield. Let me go set this one down. I'll be right back.
All right.
So you're getting a 5-inch there.
5-inch smoke, but not the dark.
Okay.
And the 5-inch was
Good way to go.
a lot better than the 4.
You were able to keep your hat on.
I was able to keep my hat on
All right.
for 50 miles an
So
hour.
you get some barrettes and staple it to your head, and you'll be good to go.
That's it. And we'll be good to go.
Before you go to New York, we'll have you spend another $1,000.
All right, now to install this, all we do is loosen up the screws.
Yep. Taking out the 2 side ones and loosening the center one.
A real quick install.
Absolutely.
Very nice. Very
He's already ridden with it, so he knows what he's getting.
That's it.
Now, if people want to contact you, how do they get in touch with you?
On Facebook at the Fairing Xchange, or our website is thefairingxchange.com. And, well, I guess it's not right there, I know.
And you're at a lot of events.
We're at events all over the country. We'll be in Daytona. We'll be in Leesburg.
You're right.
You're killing me.
All right. Well, Richie, sign us off.
Okay.
The install is done.
That's the finished product.
You got it.
Beautiful
Paul at
windshield.
the exchange did the right thing.
Hope the video goes viral. Yeah.
And come and see him at Daytona. And he's got a lot to offer. This is Richie, Crazy Ridez Inc.
And Eric.
Hit the subscribe and notification. And thank you, Paul.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Paul.
Enjoy, Patty.
That's it. And just so you know, I got quite a deal.
Excellent.